everyone, and thank you for watching. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of the rest of my IPSY haul for the end of the year sale. I did make 2 orders and just a few products came in. So let's see what's inside. Okay, first is the Biro New York Golden Carrot Overnight Mask. This is the full size. In one of the IPSY glam bags or mystery bags, I got a little trial size. So I had already ordered this, so I'm happy to have both. I'm really excited about this company. They have really good reviews and their packaging is just so beautiful. Next, we have the Dr. Babber Lifting Collagen Cream. I just ran out of my Laneige sleeping mask, so I ordered this one. Let's see how it goes. Then we have the Golden Fade In Energetic Eye Cream. I'm always looking for a good eye cream, and I've gotten a few over the last month, so I'm very excited to try and see which one is the best. Then I got the Fenty Beauty Lip Shine. It's just the sheer. This is in Quartz Candy. Everyone raves about Fenty Beauty. I had like one eyeshadow palette from her from forever ago, and I just wanted to give it another try. It smells like vanilla. It's just a basic balm, but the price was too good. I couldn't pass it up. It does have some glitter in it, so super fun, very cute. Last item I got is the Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum from MZ Skin. Ooh, it's super thick. Oh, weird, there's like stuff in it. That is what was in my IPSY end of the year sale haul. Just the last few items. I do have some videos where I did a bigger haul. You can watch them here. If you like this video, please leave me a comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.